Okay, getting an early start this morning. It's supposed to rain all day, and I've got to get 60 miles to my next spot, and so I wanted to try and get out in front of the rain a little bit. It's warm at the moment, but I think in the next couple of days it's supposed to drop back down into the 40s. So probably this rain will be that change. So today is racing the clock, I suppose. Okay, it's been raining pretty much the whole time. I'm about an hour in. I'm deciding whether to put on a jacket and overheat and stay dry, or just stay wet and be a little chilled. I'm right on the precipice. The trail is closed because the bridge is out, so I'm on a detour, which means there's a high likelihood that I'm going to get lost, which is not good, because I'd like to minimize my miles today. I forgot to mention at the first video of the day, Happy Easter. He is risen. Beautiful message. And I will join that even in this less than ideal weather. Hope you guys are having a great Easter Sunday with family, and share the news. Well, today was a wet one. I left at about 6:45 trying to beat the rain. Made it a couple miles down the trail, and then the deluge hit. And for probably 45 of the 60 miles I did today, I was in a pretty good downpour. Put on my rain gear eventually, and just kind of put my head down and plowed through. Got to Cumberland, which was the destination, and the hotel that I got has basically a bike shower outside. They have a lot of people that are on the trail that come in with their bikes, and so they're all set up for us to clean the bikes off and get somewhat presentable before we come in, which was really nice. I needed it, the bike needed it, but it was a good day. It was cold and wet. I'm pretty tired, but it was all in all a good day. And then I got to FaceTime the family while they were recovering from their Easter dinner, so that was a special a treat there as well. So not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow. I haven't looked at the map. There's a rendezvous that I'm planning with some friends from Michigan in northern Ohio, and so my mileage will have to slow down a little bit to make the rendezvous workout right. So that's good. I won't have to put down 60, 70 mile days. I can back off a little bit and just kind of enjoy the leisurely pace. And so I have to do some calculations, but I think I'm on track. We'll talk to you soon.